How to uninstall Google Voice app on Android. First of all, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications depending on your phone model. From the list of installed apps, find and select Google Voice. On the Google Voice app info page, tap on Install. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the app. Tap OK or Uninstall to confirm. The Google Voice app will now be completely removed from your Android device. Keep in mind that uninstalling the app doesn't delete your Google Voice account or phone number. You can always reinstall it later from the Google Play Store if needed. Now you know how to uninstall the Google Voice app on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.